Hi, I'm Glenn, and this is a Tigerstop. If you don't already have one in your shop, stay with us. In the next few minutes, we're going to show you why this fast and accurate positioning tool is your only choice for custom and production cutting. Before we demonstrate the speed, accuracy, and efficiency of the Tigerstop, we're going to look at the old way of doing your cutoff work, where we measure twice and cut once. With Ed's help, we're going to process a custom cabinet order. We've created a list of parts we need for this kitchen. Ed is putting the material on the in-feed table, setting the stop, making a test cut, and measuring the part. If the part is correct, he'll cut the rest of the parts this size, but as frequently happens, he'll need to adjust the stop and try again. Like you, we want a quality product, so Ed's being as accurate as possible. We've placed a clock at the bottom of your screen to record the time needed to finish the job. Well, it's taken Ed an hour and 41 minutes to process the order with reasonable accuracy. As you probably noted, Ed labeled the various parts while he was cutting to ensure the parts went to the right assemblies. He also checked parts off his cut list to ensure he cut the right number of parts. Ed got to know his pencil really well in the process. You know, it looks like we had quite a bit of waste here. As good as Ed is, he still miscut a couple of pieces. So let's take a look at a better way of doing this. We can work faster and more accurately while reducing our cost and our waste by adding a Tigerstop to our current equipment. We can virtually eliminate setup time and make dead-on cuts the first time every time. Let's add a Tigerstop and see how we do. It's that simple. The Tigerstop is a highly accurate positioning tool that increases your operator's output and your bottom line. We're going to process the same cabinet order, this time using the Tigerstop. As you can see, Ed was able to eliminate several steps. He simply entered his lengths, positioned his material, cut his parts, and checked them off as he did them. Let's see it up close. Ed enters his cut length in the controller. He presses start, and the stop moves to position. He sets the board up against the stop and simply makes the cut. Forget the old adage, measure twice, cut once. Now, you don't even have to measure once. Ed has marked and labeled the order, and in much less time. In fact, the same order that took us over an hour and 40 minutes with the old way of doing things was completed in just over an hour. With the Tigerstop, we saved 34% in labor costs on this one job. Let's see if other Tigerstop users have recognized that same level of savings.
The labor savings at the Tigerstop has cut us down probably to a quarter of the time that it would take if you were to do it manually.
And so we scaled our shop down to about 4 employees right now. And we're getting as much done as we had with 8. And it's hard to believe, but it's true. It's been a great product.
All the user has to do is keep hitting the start button and it'll move up to the next cut. And that really eliminates one person from one side of a sliding table saw, because the sliders just by nature, have a barrier. So you have to run around them to adjust the fence. But with the Tigerstop, that isn't something you need to do. The sawyer, the guy running the saw, can do all the adjustment from his side of the table.
If we were to produce the same level we're doing right now without our Tigerstops, I would say we'd have to hire probably 2 people and have 2 machines to manually do that same work.
The Tigerstop is a fast and accurate positioning tool that will streamline your shop, reduce your waste, and increase your profits. Put a Tigerstop in your shop today. Here's how.